Hey everyone, welcome back to Medical Life Official, your go-to place for practical physiotherapy tips. So today I am going to share you a very important topic, that is how to bulletproof your joints for life with easy, effective strategies that protect your body from pain, injury and early wear and tear. So let's get dive into it. So, as you all know, weak joints are more prone to get injuries easily, and strong joints, you may feel freedom with you if you're having like strong joints. So, joint pain is not just for elderly or athletes. If you're sitting all the day and keep your warm up skipping like anything and ignoring your posture, you're already putting stress on your joints. So, mark my words, don't worry, I have got you covered with powerful physiotherapy approved tips to keep your joints strong, healthy, mobile, and pain free. So, I am giving you some tips, and you have to do it because these are very important. So, first is mobility. As we all know, mobility is medicine. So, there is a demonstration of shoulder and hip mobility exercise in the picture you see. So stiff joints or weak joints, start your day with 5 to 10 minutes of the mobility work. Focus on hips, shoulders, spine and ankles because these are the major joints of your body. And think dynamic stretches, cat cow, shoulder rolls, hip curls. So keep these joint moving by doing these exercises. My second tip is build stability around your joints. So in this, glute bridges and scapular push-ups are there. Stabilize your joint with strength because strong muscles is equal to your protected joints. And build strength around your knees and glute bridges and step-ups. Protect your shoulders with rotator cuff exercises and don't forget your core. Although it is very important to check your posture daily because fixing your posture is very important as bad posture silently damage your joints over the time. Keep your head aligned, shoulder relaxed and spine neutral, especially if you're sitting for long hours. So this is for long hour occupation, and try early posture checks and ergonomic setups. You can also do low impact cardio like swimming, cycling and walking because move more without stress like swimming, cycling and brisk walking are joint friendly cardios options, and that also improve your blood flow, reduce inflammations and keep your joints movable and happy. But as far as you do this, you have to keep in mind that avoid overuse and improper form of techniques. So in this picture, I'm going to show you wrong versus right exercises form. Never sacrifice form for speed or weight. Overuse injuries are most common in people who push too hard, too fast. Always use proper forms, especially during the gym, yoga or any other sports to avoid further injuries and to maintain your balance, to maintain your posture, to keep you healthy. So this is very important. And along with this, start feeding your joints. So anti-inflammatory foods, omega 3s and hydration is very important. As you know, nutrition matters and these are antioxidant like turmeric, vitamin D and hydration all supports your joint health. Ditch processed food and fuel your body with real joint loving nutrients. And last but not the least, listen to pain and rest because pain is your body's signal, not your enemy. If a joint hurts, rest it, ice it and consult a physio or any doctor. Pushing through pain doesn't make you tough it, but although makes the injuries worse. Now let's quickly get to recap and final advices. So we have studied about mobility, stability, posture, low impact cardio, smart training and nutrition and recovery. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Medical Life Official for weekly physiotherapy tips. Comment joint health if you're ready to do all these exercises and protect your body for a long run. Stay strong, stay mobile, and I'll see you in my next video.